Hi friends, I am talking about Puttuvel Narayana Panikkar. Puttuvel Narayana Panikkar was born March 1st in 1909. He is known as the father of the library movement in the Indian state of Kerala. The activities of the Kerala Grandashala Sangam that he initiated triggered a popular cultural movement in Kerala which produced universal literacy in the state in the 1990s. June 19, his death anniversary has been observed in Kerala as Bayana Dinam since 1996. The Department of Education in Kerala also observed Bayana Varam for a week from June 19 to 25. In 2017, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi declared June 19 Kerala's Reading Day as National Reading Day in India. Panikkar led the formation of Thiruvandamugur Grandashala Sangam in 1945 with 47 rural libraries. The slogan of the organization was Read and Grow. Later on, with the formation of Kerala State in 1956, it became Kerala Grandashala Sangam. He travelled to the village of Kerala, proclaiming the value of reading. He succeeded in bringing some 6,000 libraries into this network. Grandashala Sangam won the prestigious Krupa Sakya Award from UNESCO in 1975. Panikkar was the General Secretary of Sangam for 32 years until 1975 when it was taken over by the state government.
Good morning, my respected principal, dear teachers, all my dear friends. It is my privilege today being Reading Day to address all of you about the benefit of Reading Day. Why is Reading Day important? It is important because it is the habit that can make you a better person. Biographies of great men and women tell us that they become great because they got inspirations from reading books, especially during their childhoods. Books not only inspire us, but they provide knowledge. Even though technology has brought back many changes in the way we of reading, it is only engaged our ability to connect the source of knowledge through reading. Reading relaxes our mind. It has several merits. It is connected with the outside world. Therefore, I strongly agree everyone to cultivate the habit of reading, so as to deserve maximum benefit from it. Thank you.
I am Adarsh A, 9th F. Good morning, respected principal, teachers, all my friends. It is my privilege today begin Reading Day to address all you of about the benefit of reading. Why is reading important? It is important because it is a habit that can make you a better person. Biography of great men and women tell us that most of them because great became of the inspiration they got from reading book, especially during their childhood day. This day is observed every year on 15th October as it is the birth anniversary of our late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who strongly advocated reading more as a necessity rather than just a hobby.
Speech. One child, one teacher, one pen and one book can change the world, says Malala. Respected teachers, parents and my dear friends, good morning to all. As you all know, today, 19th of June, our state celebrates Reading Day in the remembrance of Sri P.N. Panikkar, the father of library movement. It's true that we are locked in our home due to COVID-19. But this is the best time to open to the wonderful world of books. Say goodbye to mobile games and tabs. Read at least one book in a week. Book is a gift you can open again and again. There is no friend as loyal as a book. Reminding you once again that reading does not get over in a day or a week. It's a lifelong process. Come read and enjoy the world of knowledge. Thank you.
Dream Clouds. The writer of the poem is our Pramila teacher. When dreams bloomed while reading, closed the book, clung to the chest. The multicolored dreams danced in the dense clouds. Oh, a dazzling visual feast. Is it a flickering fancy? Oh, no, it's a real puzzle. Solid clouds slithered swiftly to mesmerize the mind's eye. Gliding over the white clouds, gathered many bright stars. Of course, a selfie with the silver moon on the glittering threshold of dreams. Ideals and idols at glorious realm until they collide with the darkest clouds. The reader and the dreamer find shelter again in the unread pages. The reader and the dreamer find shelter again in the unread pages.
Good evening to you. My name is Hal. I am studying in 9th standard. I am going to tell about a story about Always Be Shy. John was a selfish boy. He never shared anything to anyone. So his parents were worried as how to teach him about kindness and sharing. Then one day, John was returning from school on his new bicycle. As John was watching, a boy fell down into a ditch and hurt himself. The boy cried, I can't move my arm. John would never help anyone, but that day he felt so sad for the boy. So he rushed to him and helped him to stand up. He said to the boy, "Look like you have you fractured? Your hand is so bandaged. So sit by behind and I will ride to the hospital." Later that evening, the boy's parents visited the Johns and thanked him. "You are a very kind boy. God will always bless you." After they had left, John's father said, "Son, see the blessings you have received from being kindness and sharing." John understood the importance of being kind and decided to share always. Thank you.
Good morning, respected teachers and all my friends. I am going to read a profile of Vaikam Muhammad Bashir. He is a famous writer. Vaikam Muhammad Bashir was born on 19 January 98 at Vaikam in Kottayam. He is famous as freedom fighter author. His parents are Kai Abdul Rahman and Kunyatoma. His wife Fabi Bashir. His major works are Balikala Sagi, Janmadinam, Madilugal and Shabdangal and etc. He got many awards like Sahitya Akademi Award, Padma Shri, Kerala State Film Award, and he passed away on 5th July 1994. Read his books. Let's enjoy reading. Thank you.
Yes, Murali, 9th F. Importance of reading. Good morning, respected teacher and my dear friends. Today I am standing before you to express my views about importance of reading. Reading is a habit that can make us all a better person. Reading gives us knowledge and inspiration. It makes us smart. Reading exposes our mind to a great treasure of ideas and thoughts. People share these experiences in life and work through books. Reading such books can be of great help. Books are one of the most powerful things in the world. Good books are like a great investment. Reading is certainly a good habit. It is really a good way of personal growth and development. We should read books. With this, I conclude my speech. Thank you.
My name is Vithundu. I am studying in 9th F GHSS Chittoor. One child, one teacher, one pen and one book can change the world, says by Malala. Respected teachers, parents and my dear friends, as you all know, the 19th June, our state celebrates Reading Day as the remembrance of P.N. Panikkar, the father of library movement. It's right. We are all locked in our houses due by COVID-19. But this is the best time to open the wonderful world of books. Read at least one book in a week. Books is a gift you can open again and again. I reminding you once again that reading is not over than a day or a week. It's lifeful process. Come and read the book and enjoy the world of knowledge. Thank you.
Good morning to all. I will introduce a book, 5 Point Someone. This book author is Chetan Bhagat. Chetan Bhagat, once mechanical engineering and a banker by profession, kicked off his writing career more than a decade ago in 2004 with the release of 5 Point Someone, the first book written by Chetan. 5 Point Someone is about three friends, Hari, Ryan and Alok, and their life at the top engineering college IIT. The story has fun and memorable moments with a closely indirect underlying theme of starter on the education system and how students survive in the competitive environment. The thing that made 5 Point Someone more special is that the much loved Hindi film 3 Idiots starring Amir Khan was based on this novel by Chetan Bhagat. No doubt, this movie labeled Chetan Bhagat a star author overnight. Thank you.
Importance of reading. We celebrate June 19 as a National Reading Day. The celebration is marked on the honor of Father of Library Movement, the late P.N. Panikkar. When we talk about reading, I recall the saying of Kunyuni Master, our old Malayalam poet. He says, വായിച്ചാൽ വളരും വായിച്ചില്ലേലും വളരും വായിച്ചാൽ വിളയും വായിച്ചില്ലേലും വളയും. This saying reminds us the importance of reading. We students must read our study materials as well as various scripts written by famous literates. Reading daily is one of the best habits that one can possess. It provides your imagination, provides you with fortune knowledge. Books are your best companions.
My name is Niranjan. I introduce the author Vallathol Narayana Menon. Vallathol Narayana Menon was a poet in the Malayalam language, which is spoken in the South Indian state of Kerala. He born 16 October 1878 in Mangalam, Tirur, Malabar district, Madras Presidency, British India. Present day Malappuram district, Kerala, India. He was one of the triumvirate poets of modern Malayalam, along with Kumaran Ashan and Ullur S. Parameswaran Iyer. The honorific Mahakavi, English great poet, was applied to him in 1913 after the publication of his Mahakavya Chitrayogam. He was nationalist poet and wrote a series of poems on various aspects of the Indian freedom movement.
Dear teachers and my dear friends, today I am going to tell you a few words about Reading Day. We celebrate Reading Day on June 19 every year. P.N. Panikkar passed away on June 19, 1995, and to honor his legacy, the state government of Kerala announced that day as Vayana Dinam, which translates to Reading Day. Reading Day is now celebrated not just in Kerala but across the nation in every schools and educational institutes. Reading Day is celebrated to honor P.N. Panikkar's contribution towards the cause of literacy, education and library movement.
Something interesting to sport. I traveled to many different places. Ironically, means that many risers directly tribesmen by the risers and little girls by the losers. I travel without money, so please listen to